Okay. Hey, welcome to my kitchen. No, it's not my kitchen. This is actually a property that's being sold that is currently located in Pearland, Texas. That's right. As you know, and if you've been watching me, there's videos where I talked about all about Pearland. And there's videos that I've spoken about why people are leaving Pearland, Texas. But today, I'm actually gonna show you a one-of-a-kind, a property that you might want to jump in and make an offer. This property is composed of 4 bedrooms, which 2 of them could be used as master bedrooms. It has 3,000 square feet and more. It has a dual living space. Matter of fact, instead of me telling you why, I just don't show you. So let's go take a tour with me. If you're familiar with Pearland, this road right here will lead you to Broadway Street, a very popular street that everybody knows in Pearland. Right there, you will find all type of stores and restaurants and anything that you need to do in Pearland, you could be able to find there. This is the main entrance of the property. As soon as you walk in, you are being received with this massive space right here. They are using it as a main living room, but over here, there's more space that could be used as a game area. You could put a pool table there. You could put more seatings. You could put a ping pong. There's a lot to do. Over here, they have a mini bar station. Let's go this way. Right here, you have your dining room area that has plenty of seating for a big group. Kitchen. You have an additional area for the kiddos to play around, and another playroom for the kids. Let's go check upstairs. Bathroom. All of these rooms are huge. Look at this master walkway. It's really big. This is another room that comes with its own bathroom. This right here is washer and dryer. This is the back side of the property. The property holds about an acre of land, something really rare in Pearland, Texas. All this area Imagine just creating, having a pool. You could put a basketball court. Those are like the popular sports of right now, of pickleball. Imagine just running your kids and everybody just having fun out here. It will be an amazing experience for everybody. And I'm pretty sure you could put something back there if you wanted to. Right here, there's an exterior washer and dryer for anybody that is staying in the master guest suite. There's right here, 2-car garage. This is a barn. It's not really in good conditions, but you know, something that you could play with. This is the master guest suite with plenty of space. There's a bathroom and there's also a 1-bedroom on this door right here. Plenty of space for at least 3 adults to be staying here. Well, as you know, guys, what was your favorite part of the property? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have about this property. It's an amazing property. You really won't find something like this around the Pearland area. I hope you enjoy. Again, any questions, more than happy to answer. Give me a call, send me an email. And well, yeah, enjoy the video. And until we meet next time, God bless. Bye.